This is Ganesh. Today I will be discussing about collection of data. Let us see what is statistical inquiry. By statistical inquiry we mean an investigation on a topic by an agency wherein relevant quantitative information is collected. So statistical inquiry is an investigation conducted by the investigator or the enumerator. This investigator or enumerator will go and he will collect the information. He will inquire about the information. Then this investigation is done on a topic. On a topic means the specific purpose for which the information is collected. Like for example, we can say Government of India conducts survey on census. Census is the information what is related with the population. By an agency means when I say census, the agency is government. In this way, different agencies can conduct survey, can conduct investigation, wherein relevant quantitative information means the related quantitative information. Quantitative information means which is measurable, which can be quantitatively measured. So that information is collected. Then that is called your statistical inquiry. So I have mentioned here, statistical inquiry is an investigation on a topic by an agency wherein relevant quantitative information is collected. So I was talking about enumerator or investigator. Enumerator or investigator is the person who collects the information. Here you see I have mentioned the person who conducts the statistical inquiry is called an investigator. Then who is enumerator? This enumerator is the person who goes and collects the information. The investigator appoints certain people to collect information and they are called enumerators. In certain cases, the investigator and enumerator may be the same person. Or if investigation is very big, the survey is very big, then the investigator may appoint certain enumerators. These people will go and collect the information from different sources. Now I will tell you what is the different sources of data. There are two different sources of data. One is called your internal source of data, other is called external source of data. When the required information, data means information, that is the quantitative information. When this information is collected from within the organization, we are not going out of the organization to collect that information. From within the organization, we are collecting that data, then that is called internal data. Then how that internal data is collected? It is collected in the form of reports and records. The divisional head may ask the departmental head to submit the daily report, or the boss of the organization may ask the divisional head to show the records of the working of the organization. In this way, through reports and records, the internal data can be presented. So we can say the important sources of internal data are like reports and records. When we come to external data is the information what is collected from outside the organization. Here, outside the organization means we have debtors, we have suppliers, we have creditors, we have government, we have customers. There are so many. Okay, when we collect information from these sources, then that is called your external data, or that is called external information. And these are the external sources from which we collect the external data. The company go to the customer and he asks about the product. The company go to the suppliers and inquire about the products, okay, the price of the raw material, all these things. So these are the sources, and the information what we are collecting from these sources is called external data. Through external data, we can assess the performance of the organization. What is the relationship of the company, of the organization with the customers, with the suppliers, with the debtors, with the creditors. All these things, to learn all these things, to know all these things, okay, we used to collect the external information, external data. Let us see what are the different types of this data. The data can be classified into two types. One is called your primary data, other is called secondary data. Now, what is this primary data? Primary data is the information what is directly collected by the investigator or the enumerator from the source. The enumerator is going to the source, the respondent, he is putting the questions there, he is getting the answers to his questions. That is called your primary data. This primary data is the original data and it is 100% reliable data. That is the correct information. So we can say primary data is the data which is originally collected by an investigator or agency for the first time for some specific purpose. So this data is collected for the first time. It is collected directly by the investigator from the source, and again it is collected for some specific purpose. Like here, government collects the data for census. So that is, the purpose is census, to collect information about the population of the country. Then this primary data, as I told you, is highly reliable and that is original because that is directly collected from the source. Then when we come to secondary data, this data is not directly collected by the user from the source. This data is not directly collected. So that is why we say this is not original data. This is second-hand data, because you see somebody have collected that data and that information or that data will be used by the user, somebody else. So this is not collected by the user directly. This is collected by somebody and that information used by the user to produce the results, to interpret the results. So this data is called secondary data. The main sources of this secondary data is published sources and unpublished sources. So there are some published sources are there, like magazines, newspapers, all these are called published sources. Somewhere the information is published, I have read it, then I believe that is a useful information. Unpublished sources, you may ask some person whom you believe and you get some information from him, then that you will use to interpret your results. This is called unpublished sources. So secondary data is not original data, it is not highly reliable, and it is also known as second-hand data.